What is up? Let's get started with this install. We're going to try and install the repo that I put together, the local harmonai, which is supposed to make it easier to run the Dance Diffusion notebook on your local machine with your own hardware setup. So first we're going to create a Conda environment, and we're going to go to the handy dandy cheat sheet, make sure we don't make any mistakes, conda create -- name, and we'll call it harmonai. So the Python version's too high. Go back to the cheat sheet. You can specify the Python version when you create it. Alright, so first thing we want to do is update conda. Let's try conda update -- all, and we're good. Okay, so everything's installed. I did update earlier, and we are in the proper environment, so we should be able to get started. Let's see if we have pip installed. Pip install -- upgrade pip. Okay, so let's clone this repo. All you got to do is click here, get the link, and we're going to cd to the desktop because that's where I want it. And we're going to git clone Control-Shift-V. Cool, and we're in. So we're going to cd local, and we're in. Then we want to git clone these two repos. This is the vDiffusion PyTorch. It should provide us with some diffusion models that we are going to need, and we're going to get the sample generator. Also has a model and includes the fine-tuning Dance Diffusion notebook and the regular Dance Diffusion notebook, which we don't need because that's what the repo's for. Except for the fine-tune, that is not implemented. This is just the base Dance Diffusion notebook. Okay, so those are ready to go. Let's open this up in VS Code, see what we got. And so far, we're missing some tools here, but that's okay. We'll cd into the sample generator here, and we will pip install period. And then we will cd into the vDiffusion, and we will pip install -e doc here. It couldn't be resolved, so for this one, I know that that's in the sample generator, so what you're going to want to do is do the quick fix, which is adding to extra paths. We don't have NumPy. We can install matplotlib. I think that'll take care of that. Anything with an underline in the imports, you're going to want to go to PyPy and just get those installed. Okay, now that we got all the modules installed, to actually get going here, go back to the start here text, and we're going to start with the check GPU. This is just some subprocess commands that you could run in the terminal, and it'll just show you what kind of hardware you're working with. This was included in the IPython notebook, and I added it in here just because it is cool to see. So here we go. We're all good there. Running a little high on the Xorg. Trying to figure out how to get rid of these Xorgs. I think I only need one, but whatever. Okay, so that's done. Run that, see what you got. Then go to prepare systems. It's going to make some folders for you, and it's going to put some models in there for you. This is actually where the WAMB gets installed. Every time we run a piece of code, WAMB is going to get upgraded and installed for the most part, because you might as well update it. Alright, so let's go back here to where we were before, don't visualize the results. And now that's good. So we're done with this. Made the folders for us, and I added a new folder called checkpoints. And in this checkpoints folder, I go to the model.py and I downloaded, clicked on each of these links, downloaded all the weights, and put the weights in here. And I show that in another video. So get the weights, put them in here, and you should be able to run everything hunky-dory no issues. I wasn't seeing any errors other than weights. So I think that's it.